First doom.
Help me!
First
Help me!
Could be us.
Te hello perlak ku boleh cibun ya ki subscriber ki ba Christian yang anak por. Te nget pi don hakamat ke bekoi ke bekia. Te mentak sini perlak ngan mut pen i pi kumno ba pinjo ya kaneu sensitivity jong ki phone Pogo lane Realme Redmi ta termo kadai kaju ke sensitivity pila ban buat na kane bat kaya rap cibun ketrek ba pinjo headshot cibun ha ka free fire jong pi dai mengathok bat kadai jingsia haka jingsiam jonga te ladak ane ka sitting ba pin imang ladak don jing thot ya pi ngubha wa nom ya bot lane pikla nupna wa nom ya bot mas ngubha kitang kito ki bakwa ban bot ya kane ka sensitivity jonga mo kembang hikai bat kito ki ba pro ladak ki ko pet ladak ki ko pet nai comment nai ong kumta ngubha nai pet lagi dai ki subscriber jonga subhakan chulat share takam tahi te shop ngin ya pet no skane ka sensitivity kumno kalong bat ngong pi perlok kane ka sensitivity bi kai manga kala bande shot kendai 4% mo perlok banang spa ta amma te kaban kong perlok pin klik krum mo te pet ngala bulupa pet pila ban search kumne mo in yang perlak pilawan search kene Brazil sensitivity free fire headshot mah te pin ayang tu okay pet kadan hangne Brazil free fire headshot sensitivity setting open used to pet pinto terter pet hat kene PC light mah movement pet kene pat on mobile mah pin yang perlak kene on mobile tekene hat general sensitivity pilap na chispa san polo ne arspa hat DPI an low button sat pilap na so polo ne san po for equip drag shot komanon the setting general pilap na chispa kandai pusan la ne arspa kito ki kene kapun pogomo sene sidrong pilap na chispa san polo ne arspa tegine phone Pogo pada flap kene ke for equip drag kene ka general flap chispa kandai pesan dan arspa red dot flap chispa prapo lane arspa 2x scoop flap chispa prapo 4x scoop flap chispa new pole lane chispa prapo tel da pibot kene perlak pensaong o kajing kika jongi ba zero beti o ka best ba namar ngaru ngala USB perlak takada tapi kuat ban sayang ne pada page mo kini phone all setting mo page pelak ban klik ne page pin page ne page general chispa kandai pusala ne arspa kane setting jongka Pogo te red dot pelak na chispa pral ne arspa mo lada kam dai te 2x scoop na chispa prapuar 4x scoop chispa nyupun riu sniper scoop chispa lepau free look chispa sopau button side sopau nesan pau DPI kita ki phone belak poi prajibi ram pilap na san spa sau jibi ram pilap andrew spa mo te pet perlok pinhapan sengap bahaya kan emo nomor ba pin saong bakam dere kumta bakam nang re pin sengap hamo
5 headshot sensitivity settings, often used to emulate fast-paced, high-precision, PC-like movement on mobile, typically rely on high general sensitivity, 150 to 200, high DPI, and low fire button size, 40 to 50%, for quick drag shots. Common settings include general, 195 to 200, red dot, 180 to 200, 2x scope, 180, and 4x scope, 170 to 180. Recommended Brazilian style settings. 1. General, 195 to 200. 2. Red dot, 188 to 200. 3. 2x scope, 182. 4. 4x scope, 176. 5. Sniper scope, 130. 6. Free look, 140. 7. Fire button size, 40% to 50%. And 8. DPI, 500 to 600, depending on device. Pro tips for performance. 1. Movement. Utilize 3-finger claw for faster movement and jump shot combos. 2. Graphics. Set to smooth and high FPS, enabled for maximum responsiveness. 3. Technique. Use a fast upward drag, especially with SMGs and ARs, for better headshot registration. And 4. Training. Practice in the training ground to master the high-speed drag.
Halo perlok ngek ba kumto plus sutu hi plus ngil jong sau. Desbah perlok pembuat elektrik pensaong kadai sisa mau perlok. Kita ngata perlok kublai sibun sa siampak akan next video.
Double takedown. Triple takedown. First two. Double takedown. Double takedown. Triple takedown. Ace. restored EP for everybody.
But I am a master of games.
Double takedown. First doom. Help me. Help me. Enemy spotted. First doom. Double takedown.
I can.
First doom. Help me. Double takedown. Double takedown. Triple takedown. Double takedown. Help me!